So we just woke up, having breakfast, and then we're going to go visit Ed. Or actually, Ed's going to come pick us up, and then we're going to go hang out in Bristol, maybe go see some places in Bath. And then today's going to be our last day in Bristol before we head off to London, and there'll be no more vlog posts after this because it won't be related to anything we're doing this week. Here with Ed, we're at what's this suspension bridge called?
Clifton Suspension Bridge.
Clifton Suspension Bridge. And we're like just over Ravine. This is our last day, so we're just trying to hang out together. It's quite lovely. And then we're headed all the way up there to the observatory, and that'll be fun.
This bridge was built by Brunel, the engineer.
Never heard of him.
He built the first transatlantic steamship, apparently. I found that out today.
Me too.
That was his best. No?
I don't know how true this is or accurate it is, but in the United States, Right, so Ed's going to take us down to his dungeon, where we will have some unraid shenanigans, but you do have to wear a hard hat for safety reasons. So I'll let you lead the ways.
Thank you, sir.
And then you can catch me if I slip and fall.
Alright, rolling.
We'll be back in a moment. We can't show you what's down here. Unraid would be very unhappy with us. So
Some very powerful servers down here.
yeah, state of the art.
She was very right.
Why is this called Giant's Cave? I just don't understand.
You can see this would be very slippery, isn't it?
Yeah. People must have been very short in the old days. We finally made it to Bath. We're gonna have a quick eat, enjoy ourselves.
I'm starving.
Yeah.
Couldn't come sooner, some food for me.
Quite hungry myself. And then we'll go see some Roman baths after this, and then back to London. We finally made it to London, and now that we're here, we're probably just going to not make any more vlog posts or anything like that. And that's it. We're done with Space Invader. We're in London, and I'll be home soon in a few more days. And then we'll have some regularly scheduled content afterwards, so it might be a while. See ya.